Yes. What's your question?
Let me hop in the car. The car haunted. It's gonna blow up. Hey, what's the price of my thing? Yummy brain! Yeah? Yeah. Daddy, I'm gonna go home.
Oh, nice. I like your motorcycle.
My thumb was in between his index and
I want one. I don't want a regular. Maybe for your birthday.
Serena said she'd send me multiple gifts, but I said she's going at 2%. Hey, what are you guys doing? Yeah, we'll go to your house.
Okay, who wants some burger, cheesy, hot dog, sorry, we're 12, but maybe, I don't know. Yeah, who wants macaroni Oh, we're taking it big bigger. Oh my god. You okay? Ugly Boomer! Get out of here! I'm gonna go on the motorcycle. Okay. Don't touch my stuff though. Alright, let's go on the motorcycle. This sucks.
You okay?